So, July 4th, 2025. So the next concept that we are going to discuss here is about a keyword var. Before we go to the strings, let us discuss this keyword var. What is this var? Var is a keyword that is introduced in JDK 10 where it supports handling, where it supports storing of any kind of data. Meaning what? Now for suppose I have a number, I don't know whether to store in an integer. Suppose if we have a number, okay, where we store, suppose if we have a number which we do not know whether to store in a integer, long, short, byte, or double or float. If you don't know whether whatever number you have, you don't know which data type you need to use at that moment. You want to store it in an integer, in a long, or in a short, and in a byte or something. You don't know. So what we do here? So var will help us store the data of any value without asking for any data type. So let's see the syntax. I will say var a1 equal to 40.586. That means what? I don't know what is the data type that I need to use here. I don't know whether I have to use a double, float, integer, long, byte, short, long. You don't know what is used to store. Clear? So in such situations, we use this. Clear? Now, if I try to print the value, I will say the value of A1 as 40.586. Now, if I say var A2 equal to 5, okay, we can also perform arithmetic operations between two variables. Clear? So here we perform arithmetic operation between two variables. Can we reassign the values of the variable? Yes, we can reassign the values of the variable. So what I will do, I will say A2 equal to 500, something like this. So what I will do here, I will say A2 minus A1. Tell me the output of line number 25. What is the output of it? Can anyone tell me?
4,953.477.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is how we print the values of the variable. Okay. Now, instead of in the A2, instead if I store a Boolean value, this is not allowed. This is not allowed when we are using var, because var accept, because initially var accepts a number, and it has decided, the compiler has decided that hey, this is a variable is holding a number type. When I'm saying it is holding a decimal value, so instead of a decimal value, if you're passing any other value, it will throw a compilation error when we are using var. When we are using var, because initially var accepted a number, but we are reassigning with a Boolean value which does not work at all. Initially, when you have assigned the value of a2, if you have assigned a decimal value, you can have an integer value in place of a decimal value, but you cannot have a Boolean value because where a2 has fixated itself that hey, this where a2 holds a number. Again, if you are trying to replace with a Boolean value, it will throw a syntax error. I hope this point is clear. If you want to declare a Boolean variable, I can store it like this. You can store the data in a separate variable. Now, when I say var a4 equal to 500, now when I say a4 equal to 500.5, then it will throw an error. Why this will throw an error? Because var a4 was supposed to store a number without any decimal values. But we are passing a decimal value here. Clear? So throws a syntax error. So these are the rules that you need to follow while we are trying to reassign the values to the var variable. You can store any kind of data in var. Clear? You can store any kind of data, not only with primitive data type, you can store all non-primitive data types also. The only thing you need to be careful is when you're trying to reassign the values. Okay, if you're trying to reassign the values, assign the values of the same data type, not of a different data type. Got it? Is this clear, guys? All good? Great.
Yeah, but
Yes.
earlier you assigned it as initially with some float value, and you are trying to reassign with the normal integer, right?
Yes, a double value can store an integer, but an integer cannot store a decimal value. Because how Java will understand it will understand like 5004.0.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, understood.
Now let's go to the concept of strings. What is a string? String is nothing but a sequence of characters. When you say it's a sequence of characters, so what did we discuss about characters? Characters are nothing but it will accept a single value like capital G, small letter, numbers, white space, and a special character. So what is a string? String is nothing but a sequence of characters. What is the syntax of declaring a string? String variable name equal to value. Always remember that we enclose the data within the inverted commas. Whenever we want to store the data.
Sir, means always double quotes only.
Always double quotes only.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll say string s1 equal to hello world. So if I call the variable directly, it will print the data. Okay. String is a non-primitive data type. Okay. String is a non-primitive data type. Remember this. When I say s1 dot length prints the number of characters present in the string. What is the output of this?
Maybe
14.
Sorry?
14.
1 4.
Mm-hmm. Clear? Is this clear, everyone? Can we go ahead, guys? Great. S1 dot is empty means checks if the given string is empty or not. Returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else it is returns false. What is the answer?
False.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, false.
When I say S1 as this, what will be the output?
True. True. True.
So S1 dot empty returns true. When I say empty, empty means string should not contain even a single character.
What if it contains a space? Yeah.
Okay. What is the output of this? What is the output of
True.
this?
True, I guess.
It's true because white space is also a character, right? We have discussed in the variable concept. What we have discussed, even white space is also a character, right? Hmm?
Okay. Yeah.
When I say s1 dot is blank, what does it do? Checks if the given string contains white spaces only. Clear? It's a part
Yeah.
of JDK11 function. Now this will return true. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
So when I say s1 dot to uppercase, returns the string with capital letters, not returns. S1 dot to lowercase means what? Prints the string with small letters. Clear? Okay. S1 dot repeat of 4 means what? It's a JDK11 function. Repeats the same string for n number of times. Clear? Now it will bring the same string for 4 times on the same line and prints it on the same line. Clear? S1 dot starts with hello. Checks if the string starts with the word, returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else it returns false. Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
True.
Yes. So what will be the output of this?
False.
False.
Mm-hmm. What is the answer?
True.
True. True.
True. True. No.
False.
Okay, why it is false?
No, sir.
Because
Hello.
first we are changing it to uppercase, and then we are like that hello is not having all the uppercases.
Mm-hmm.
Will
Okay, great. Checks if the checks if the given string is ending with exclamatory mark. Returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else returns false. What is the output?
True.
Hmm?
True.
True, true.
True.
No?
false.
False.
False. No?
True.
True.
No?
True. True.
True.
Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
No?
True.
Yeah. I hope everyone is clear, everyone. Anjana, Ashish, Gauri, Manshu, Pooja,
Yes,
Ravi.
Rahul.
Yes.
Everyone is clear,
Yes.
Snehal, Sumit. Great.
Yes, Rahul.
Sir, in line number 54, sir,
Tell
two
me.
uppercase. Yes, sir. That two uppercase means how it will work? Starts.
So uppercase means it will convert to capital letters. So when I say S1.2 uppercase, what will happen? The updated string will be this. Okay.
Yes.
On this, I will say starts with hello. Now you know what is the answer.
Hello means in uppercase.
Yeah. Now what word I'm passing in here? Hello in small letters. So it will be false, right?
Yes.
First we are converting to capital letters. Then we are checking whether the converted string is starting with this word hello. If it is not starting properly, then it will return false. Okay.
Yes.
Just one thing. So, is there any functionality where the casing can be ignored? Whether it start with uppercase or lowercase, it should search.
Nothing. We have to our own case sensitivity function. So suppose let me show you this out. S1 dot to lowercase dot ends with world dot to lowercase. This is how we check
Okay.
whether the string ends with a desired word irrespective of any case sensitivity. Okay.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Now what is the answer?
True.
Yes. Now, true or false?
True.
Great. S1 dot contains LLO. What does it do? Checks if the string contains LLO. It returns true if the above condition is satisfied, else it returns false. Is it clear? What is the answer?
False.
True.
True.
Mhm.
True.
True.
But in the line number 69, it is changed to uppercase, right?
Yes. It's changed to uppercase,
So
but
the 73,
it will not
is
impact it. Whatever changes
Yeah.
you make here, it is applicable only in this line. It will be not carry forwarded to the other lines.
Okay.
Whatever string modifications that we do in this line will be impacted here only. Remember this rule.
Only for that system, only for the print line. So if it is out of
Only
the
for
print
that
line, we
line,
change something, then no, then it affects to the next line, is it?
it doesn't happen like that, Monica.
No.
In this case, in this program, it is not happening that way. If you reassign the value back,
Right,
because
right.
if you reassign the value back, then it will impact in the next set of operations.
Hmm. Got it.
What is the answer for this?
False.
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 Mhm. No?
False.
Great. Now everybody is getting clear, right, with the functions. Any doubts? Anything? Can we go ahead with the next one?
Yes.
Everyone clear here? Everyone. You cannot call name by name, but everyone is clear. Great. Okay.
No, actually, you are trying to convert it to uppercase and then trying to ends with two, and again you are converting to lowercase to to
Hmm.
come, right?
Hmm.
So we have a method like equals ignore case, right?
That is a different case. When I come to equals ignore case, I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. Whatever you said is right, but when we discuss that function, we will discuss there only. Okay.
Okay.
S1 dot char at of 2 means what? Prints the character that is present at second index position. When I say the character at second index position, so what will happen here? Always remember how we count the characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. But Java starts reading the string from 0, 1, 2. Got the point? How we humans read the characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? When I say caret of 2, I will say 0, 1, 2. Is this clear? How do we calculate the character based on an index position? Yeah? Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1, 2. This should be very clear for everyone, guys, because the word index position is something that we use on a regular basis. 0, 1, 2. What is the character that it will print here?
L.
L. Now, what is the output of this?
D.
D.
Mhm.
D. No, sir. Out
Clear?
is D.
Hmm. Clear? Great. Now,
Space.
Space.
hmm?
It would print the
Sorry. Space.
Yes.
Great. I request
Yes.
not all of you not to annotate, please. Now,
out of index error.
mhm. Okay.
Out of bound.
It throws string index out of bounds exception when we are trying to access a character that is greater than the length of the string. Clear? Is this clear? Throw string index out of bounds exception when you are trying to access a character that is greater than the length of the string. Right? If I use a negative character, what will be the output? Negative value, sorry.
Out of bound.
Out of
Yeah.
bound.
So it throws string index out of bounds. That is when you are trying to access a character that does not exist within the given range of the string. Okay. When I say s1 dot substring of 0 1 prints the string starting from first index position. So what will be the output?
It starts from E2, it will end till the explanatory. The world
Sorry.
I mean, it starts from ELLO2 to the world explanatory.
Okay. So when I say substring of 1 means what? 0, 1. So whatever string is there, it will print from first index position till the end of the string. Yeah. Can anyone tell me the output of this program? Line number 94.
ORLD.
Till O it should.
Hmm?
It will print till O.
No, from O.
Yeah, sorry, from O.
ORLD. Yes.
It will print ORLD exclamation. So what is ORLD? How we are calculating here? When I say 7th index position, I'll say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from the 7th index position till the end, it will print the value. Clear? Now,
String out of bound exception.
string index out of bounds exception. Clear? Clear? Can we go?
Sir, if I want to print only hello as a substring.
Wait, hold on. Let me finish all the string functions. Then at the last, we will take your doubts. Okay? Throws string index out of bounds exception. If we are trying to access a character which is beyond the length of the string. Okay? Because we are saying s1 dot substring of minus 400. That means what you're trying to access a character that is beyond the length of the string. Okay? S1 dot substring of minus 2, same story. It will throw string index out of bounds exception if you are trying to access a character which is beyond the trying to access an index position which is beyond the length of the string. That means when you say beyond the length of the string, it can be if you are passing a value that is greater than the length of the string, or if you are passing a negative value, both this context will fall under the category of beyond the length of the string. So in this case, what do you mean by beyond the length of the string? Either we are providing the index position which is greater than the length of the string. Either we pass a negative index position. Remember in strings, if you are trying to pass an index position which is greater than the length of the string, or if you pass a negative index position, in either of the cases, string index out of bounds exception is bound to occur. Clear? Always remember, this is a thumb rule. This is a thumb rule. Across the strings, whenever we are dealing with index position, it will always throw string index out of bounds exception if you are trying to access a character that is beyond, that is greater than length of the string, or if you are passing a negative index position. Great. So what does it do? Prints the string starting from 5th index position till the 10th index position. It means it is inclusive of starting index position and
Oh, sorry, your voice is breaking. I'm not sure if it is an issue with me or
your voice is also breaking. So I hope everyone is clear, right? Jahir, Aman, Varshika, Sumit.
Yes,
Everyone is
your
able to
voice
hear,
is
right?
clear, Rahul. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, we can
clear.
hear you.
So maybe you have to check your device, whosoever has raised the cursor. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Prints the string starting from 5th index position till the 10th index position. It is inclusive of starting index position and exclusive of end index position. That means what? Now, when I say substring of 5, what will happen here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the white space, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are not taking the character that is present at the 10th index position. What did I say? Exclusive of end index position. So I'll say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Is this clear, guys? All good?
Yes.
Yes. Means we are including starting index but excluding the end index.
End index, yes. Clear? Is this clear, guys? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know with respect to the functions that we have covered. Okay. Now, what is the output of this?
Hello.
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 Hello. Great. Great, everyone. Can we go to the next one?
Yes.
Great. Let's go to the next one. Now, what is the output?
ORL.
O-
ORLD.
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 It's ORLD.
Okay. Now, is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Clear? Now, what will be the output?
WOR.
Okay.
No, I think it does not accept the last index.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I think it's in the reverse. W space O L L.
Throws string index
Oh,
exception because the starting index position is greater than the end index position. So this should not be the case. Whenever we are trying to find the substring like this, always the start index position should be lesser than end index position. Clear?
yes.
Now, what will be the output of this?
Same exception.
String index out of bounds.
Yes.
String index out of bounds. Okay. Great. The same story again. We have discussed about two rules, right? Either we are providing the index position which is greater than the length of the string, either we pass a negative index position. In both of the cases, string index out of bounds exception will occur. Clear? Great. So let's go with the next one. So what does it do? Replaces the word hello with the word bye in the original string. What is the output here?
By word.
By world.
Now what is the output of this?
Out of.
No,
Hmm?
so you don't see that index.
Exception, some exceptions.
Not
Mhm.
available.
Prints the original string if the word to be replaced is not present in the string. Clear? Is this clear? Any doubts?
Yes.
It will not throw any error. If the word that you're trying to replace is not present, na, it will not throw any error. It will just return the original string. Now if I say this one dot replace, now what will be the output?
So in place of explanatory, it will replace with double.
Yes.
Hmm.
6 underscore.
Mm-hmm.
Hello space world underscore underscore underscore.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever explanatory is there, it will be replaced with underscore underscore.
Hmm. Great. Clear?
Yes.
So whenever I use the word replace, it will replace all the characters which are present. It doesn't replace a single character. It replaces all the characters that are present. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Sir, but the original string will change after replacement.
See, what did I tell you? Whatever activities you do in this line will be applicable only in this line. Unless and until I reassign the values, the original string remains the same. Like for suppose, if I say s1 equal to s1 dot replace, now it will now whatever changes you have made, I'll be storing it back to the same variable. Got it?
Yes.
Whatever changes you have made, again if I store it back in the same variable, the updated string will be carried on in the next set of lines. Got it?
Yes.
Returns the index position of the first occurrence of the given word, given letter R. What is the output, guys? Where the first occurrence of letter R is present, at which index position the first occurrence of letter R is present?
8.
8. Clear? Clear? S1 dot index of E. Sorry, what is the output?
1.
Mm-hmm.
5. It's 4.
5. 5.
8 till 4.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Oh,
Clear? Is this clear? All good? Any doubts so far? Great. S1 dot last index. S1 dot index of LD. What will happen here? Well, it will take the index position of the letter L. Where is this LD present? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
9.
6, 7, 8, 9. At the ninth index position, the letter LD is present. Okay? Yep. Clear? Can we go ahead?
Yes.
What is the output here? Which index position?
7.
What is the output?
10.
Great.
10.
It's 10. Sorry, 11. Sorry, 11. 11. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got it? It's 11. Is this clear, everyone? Every one of you individually, everyone is clear with this function index of?
Yes, Rahul.
Yes.
Great. Clear? All good? Now, if everyone is clear, can we go ahead? This one dot index of so what are they saying? Returns the returns the first occurrence of the character O when we start the string from 6th index position. When we start the string from 6th index position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I start the string from 6th index position, what is the first occurrence of letter O? The first occurrence of letter O that is present at 7th index position. Got it? Now what we are doing here, we are taking the string starting from 6th index position till the end. When I take the string starting from 6th index position till the end, I will say 6, 7. Is this clear? Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, any doubts? So all of you please practice till here. And if you have any doubts, please let me know. We have last 5 more minutes left, so we will we will take all your questions now.
So what will be the output for this, Rahul? The last one?
7.
7. Okay.
Because we are starting our string from 6th index position. Okay, we are starting our string from 6th index position. Instead of starting the string from first character, I'm telling Java that take the string starting from 6th index position instead of starting from a 0th index position. Clear?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Any more doubts, guys? Every class will be like first 50 to 55 minutes we will have a session, and the last 5 to 10 minutes we will have it for doubts. Begin index and end index. Which function, Aman? Which function are you talking about? When I'm asking you, I just want to know which function. This one. Tell me the line number. Substring of 5 comma 10, right? So when I say substring of 5 comma 10, I will say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will take the string from 5th index position. So comma 10. When I say comma 10, it is 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we am saying here, it is inclusive of starting index position and exclusive of end index position. Clear? Now is this clear, guys? Any doubts? Great. What if both are same? Well, wonderful question. When it says one dot substring of 3 comma 3, if both starting and ending in index position are same, then it returns a empty value. Clear? Clear? It doesn't return any value. It's an empty value. That means returns a string without any characters. Clear? When I say s1 dot is empty, it will still return true.
True.
Because in this case, what is happening here? I told you inclusive of start index position and exclusive of end index position. Now both the characters are same. So since both the characters are same, they are cancelling against each other. I am including my starting index position and at the same time I have to not take my end index position. In this case, it will return an empty string. Clear? Great. Anything else, guys? If no one has no doubts, then we can connect on the Monday, same time. Great.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Rahul.
This is not about the strings concept. Can I
Mhm.
ask you? It's a basic of Selenium. Maybe it comes in the introductions only. So what is the difference between Selenium 3 and Selenium 4 versions?
I'll
How-
explain there in the Selenium architectures topic.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Rahul, that's fine. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So no one has no doubts. So that's fine. So assignments and the quizzes will be shared from Monday onwards. Okay. Great. So please practice, guys. And if you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, guys. See you all then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.